Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO D5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find the icon and tap on it. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon right here at the top to open the device page. On this page scroll down and look for the option called Manage Connections or Connection and tap on it, and here tap on Forget button. Wait until the watch disappears from the list of devices. Then you can, just in case, check the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check if the watch is right here on the list. If it's not, you can close the settings. If it was here, you can tap on the settings icon next to it and then tap on Forget to remove it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.